we'll find the volume of this solid. This is a rectangular solid with a length of 12 feet, width of 3 inches, height of 2.6 inches. The formula for the volume of a rectangular solid is V equals length times width times height. Now, in order for this to be accurate, all of the units have to be the same. And we'll notice that one unit is in feet and the other two units are in inches. Since we're asked to give the answer in cubic feet, we'll convert 2.6 inches to feet and 3 inches to feet before we substitute into the equation. So let's begin by converting 2.6 inches to feet. We have 2.6 inches equals 2.6 inches times 1 foot over 12 inches. Since 1 foot equals 12 inches, this is the same as multiplying by 1. Well, this gives me 2.6 over 12 times inches over inches times 1 foot. Inches over inches is 1, so we have 2.6 over 12 feet. And I'm just going to leave it in that form for now. For 3 inches, converting the other dimension, we have 3 inches equals 3 inches times 1 foot over 12 inches, following the same procedure we just did above. And that gives us 3 over 12 times inches over inches times 1 foot, or 3/12 of a foot, or 1/4 of a foot. Now we can substitute. We have V equals the length, 12 feet, times the width, 1/4 of a foot, times the height, 2.6 over 12 feet. And now we'll need to multiply and simplify. We multiply 12 times 1/4 times 2.6 divided by 12. And that gives us 12 times 2.6 in the numerator and 4 times 12 in the denominator. We have feet times feet times feet, so that gives us cubic feet as a unit. Now, since 12 there's a factor of 12 in the numerator and a factor of 12 in the denominator, I can cancel the 12s. I'm left with 2.6 over 4 cubic feet. If I carry out that division, I have 0.65 cubic feet. And this is the volume in cubic feet of the rectangular solid.